to how logical the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Series Part 5. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Telegram code by SMS. For that, make sure you have allow access to contact for Telegram app. To check it, open your device settings, scroll down and click on Applications and Permissions. Remember, this may be different in other mobile devices. Then click on App Manager. Scroll down to search Telegram. Once you find the Telegram app, click on it and you will see this interface. You can see the option that says Permissions. Click on Permissions and tap on Call Logs to see if it is allowed or not allowed. If it is allowed, come back and let's clear the cache by clicking on Tourist Storage here. You can see the option Clear Cache. Click on it and your cache will be cleared. After that, come back and update your Telegram app. Once the app is updated, click on Open. After that, you are done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.